What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Crystal, aka Serenity 1225, here from the beautiful islands of the Bahamas with yet another Temu electronics review. It's an electronic product that I purchased from Temu, and I've been using it. And I wanted to come on here and let you guys and girls know, first, if it worked. Second, is it worth your coins? Okay, so what you're looking at here is a car vacuum cleaner. This is 8000 PA cordless. It's supposed to be cordless, but sir, it has a cord. Rechargeable car mini vacuum cleaner, handheld dry and wet car dust remover for car, home, office, desktop. It was $14.98. I'm on my living room floor again, people, and I'm old, so getting on the floor can be hard. It can be challenging. Okay, so this was purchased. Got like that. Listen, my tripod thingamajiggy is a hot mess express. This was purchased on March 2nd, 2023. It was delivered, I think I got it in Nassau March 18th, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. I paid $14.98 for it. And this is my second time using it. So it came with, this is how it looks essentially, right? And it says that it's a high power vacuum cleaner, portable 12 V car vacuum. And it came with these attachments. So this is how the box had looked it. The stuff really feels super cheap, but I haven't used this. Comes with this little, I guess this is, it's a little manual or something. It's a 12-volt car cigarette lighter type vacuum cleaner. So it has to be charged in the cigarette lighter in your car, and then it gives you those informations or whatever. And it has a few attachments. Like, this feels really, really cheap, okay? I tried to use this, but this was useless, okay? And this is how where's the end of it? Get out of my way. This is the end of it, the cigarette lighter attachment charger thingamajiggy. So this actually works. I was actually shocked because my car is a very old car. My car is like 16, 17 years old. It's a 2007 Nissan Almera. Mind your business. Mind the business that paid you. If you're going to buy me a car, then you can talk to me. If you're not buying me a car, I don't give a fuck about what you have to say. How you doing? Anywho, so because my car is old, years and years ago, the cigarette lighter had stopped working. So I was like, oh my God. They sent a cigarette lighter thingamajiggy. How am I gonna use it when my cigarette lighter thingamajiggy don't work? The fuck? But I stuck it in there. That's what she said. And it worked, it did. So this is the second time I've used this vacuum cleaner. It's supposed to be a portable vacuum cleaner. It's supposed to be cordless, bitch, but it got a cord. Luckily, the cord is actually pretty long. And this is another attachment that I have on it. This one works better than this flimsy one. This one is a little bit more, I mean, it's still cheap plastic, but this one seems a little bit more sturdier than this flimsy light one. And the first time I took it outside and I used it, I was shook. I really was shook. I'm like, really? You're doing this? You're actually working? And then this morning, I just got through dropping my daughter to work, and it's not, the sun isn't high or whatever because it's pretty early in the morning. So I said to myself, why don't we try and vacuum the back seat of the car, because it was dirty. My car is dirty. It's been several months since I've taken my car to get clean professionally, and normally a car clean in Nassau is like $20. And I don't know, maybe I've just been cheap. Maybe I just don't give a damn. But I haven't taken the car to get a professional cleaning in a very long time. But even though it's not like filthy, it just has a lot of dirt, a lot of sand. You know, when you're in and out of the car, you're traipsing in sand at the bottom of your shoe. So that was what I was dealing with. So the first time I used the portable, supposed to be cordless vacuum cleaner, I was shook. I had to clutch my motherfucking pearls because I did not expect for this car vacuum to even work. I'm experimenting with the Temu electronics, and some of the things I'm impressed with, and some I'm like, well, what the fuck just happened? I had a collapsible mini washing machine. It's a little bucket, and it worked for about 2 weeks, and then it stopped working. So I'm hoping that that doesn't happen to this one here, because I like it. You can look at it and see it's real dirty. I got a garbage bag on the ground because I'm going to open up and show you guys the contents. I just vacuumed my car just now, okay? So it comes with 3 attachments, which will be this flimsy thingamajiggy here. It was just useless when I put it in. And then I haven't used this one. I don't really know what the hell. How do you use it? Like you scrub it, or I don't know. And then it has this thingamajiggy here, which has like an angular tip, right? So this one works better for me. So I've been using that. So let me just take that off. So that one is a little more stronger or sturdier than the flimsy one. Okay, so that's how that looks. Okay, so I don't know if, I think that there's an air filter in here, and it's filthy. So I don't know if you have to replace it. I'm thinking that you do. But where would I get it from? Do I have to order it from Temu? Do I have to go around Nassau and be asking people, do you have a filter for this $14 vacuum that I got on this Chinese site? I mean, I don't know. What the hell am I supposed to do? Somebody tell me. So anyway, look at the. You could look and see some of the dirt right there. So I'm gonna take it off and show you people in real time, okay, how much dirt this little $15 vacuum cleaner was able to clean out of my car just now, about 5 minutes ago. Okay, so this is how we looking. Hope you people can see, huh? Yes, bitch, I was trying to grow potatoes, tomatoes. Look at the dirt, people. Yes. The filter is filthy, okay? So I'm assuming that I will have to replace this. I'll have to probably buy a new filter. It might just be cheaper to look for it in Nassau. I don't know. But look at all the here and there. Look, it's a whole lot of dirt, bitch. I'm surprised I don't find somebody's nipple or tooth in here or something like that. But I'm surprised at this little machine. This machine did what I needed it to do. It gave what I needed it to give. Okay? So I am not mad at this little $14. How much was it? $14.98 vacuum cleaner from Temu. Okay? Listen. To get my car clean in Nassau, it's $20, bitch. This was $15. So it has done far more than I expected it to do. I had absolutely no hopes that this was going to work. And then when I saw the cigarette lighter attachment charger thingamajiggy, I was like, oh, hell no. Mines don't work. But it did. I was shocked. You know what I'm saying? My little car, Betsy be surprised with me, okay? But yeah, this is a lot of dirt. This is a lot of dirt that this little thingamajiggy was able to suction up, to vacuum up out of my car. So I am not mad at it. I don't know if it's gonna last any longer. I know for sure it needs a new filter. I'm thinking this is the filter. So it's gonna need a new filter, bitch. But I am very, very pleased with this product. It's probably gonna stop working, maybe in another week or two or something like that, because these Temu electronic stuff, I don't know, like they are a little suspect because they start off good and then they stop working. So far, so far. But I don't want to just sit on here and show you guys, some hair ties and some watch gift sets and shit like that. I want to fully immerse myself on the site and bring different products to you guys and then let you know if they work or not. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I really want to do. So I'm in love with Temu right now, but that could change because, everything changes like the weather. But I want to look at my, oh my God, look at that. I be wearing my little slippers or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So